Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be sharing with you 3 veggie grilled recipes. Let's get into it. For our first grilled veggie recipe, I have some cauliflower and tofu marinated shishkabobs. So for the marinade, I'm adding a half cup of Worcestershire sauce, a half cup of soy sauce, a half cup of grapeseed oil, 2 tablespoons of Dijon mustard, 2 tablespoons of minced garlic, 4 tablespoons of agave, 2 teaspoons of black pepper, 4 tablespoons of lemon juice, and 4 teaspoons of Italian seasoning. Here I have some diced cauliflower, and I'm going to put it into a Ziploc bag and pour half of the marinade in. I'm going to massage it through and let it sit in the fridge for about 30 minutes. I'm going to do the same thing with some super firm tofu. I'm cutting it into cubes. And then I'm going to add it into a Ziploc bag and pour the rest of the marinade. Here I diced up some peppers. I have green, yellow, and orange. And I also have some red onions. And it's raining outside, so I'm going to be grilling indoors today. I'm just assembling my shish kebabs, and I'm going to let them grill until the cauliflower and the peppers are cooked. Make sure you flip them over halfway through. And when they are done, this is what it looks like. Next, I'm making some grilled potato tacos. First, I just sliced up some peppers and onions, and I'm adding some sea salt and black pepper and a little bit of grapeseed oil. And I'm using these baby Dutch yellow potatoes. I'm just going to slice these in half. I'm also slicing the tips off so that it cooks quicker on the grill. You can also cook these a little bit before or boil them if you want them to cook faster on the grill. And I'm seasoning the potatoes with some sea salt, black pepper, garlic powder, and onion powder, and a little bit of grapeseed oil so they don't stick to the grill. I set my flame to medium-low, and now I'm adding the potatoes and the veggies. While that's cooking, I'm preparing the cashew cream sauce, which is 1 cup of soaked cashews, 3/4 cups of water, 1 teaspoon of lemon juice, a half teaspoon of minced garlic, a half teaspoon of onion powder, 1 teaspoon of sea salt, a pinch of cayenne pepper, and 2 tablespoons of nutritional yeast. Once my potatoes are cooked, I'm going to turn them over. And I'm using these Mission corn tortillas to prepare the tacos. These refried beans are chipotle refried beans, and they're really, really good. I just spread them over the tacos, added my peppers, my potatoes, some of the cashew cream on top, and a little bit of sriracha, and then I just let them cook until golden brown on the skillet. These tacos are so good, you guys. You have to try them. For the last recipe, I made some grilled balsamic cherry tomatoes and mushroom pasta, adding 1/4 cup of grapeseed oil to a bowl, 1/4 cup of balsamic vinegar, a half teaspoon of minced garlic, 1½ teaspoon of Italian seasoning, 3/4 teaspoon of sea salt, and 1½ teaspoon of black pepper. I'm adding the cherry tomatoes into the bowl, and I'm going to let it marinate for about 30 minutes. And here I am slicing up some mushrooms, adding some sea salt and black pepper, and a little bit of grapeseed oil, and I'm going to toss it onto a grill. If you don't want the cherry tomatoes to be popping everywhere while they're grilling, then just slice them in half. Once they start to brown on the other side, I flip them over. And here I have some spaghetti noodles, and I'm adding some of the balsamic sauce on top of it. And then I'm going to add our tomatoes and mushrooms. This is really good with some vegan Parmesan cheese on top. If you liked today's video, please subscribe. I'd really appreciate it, and I will see you next time. Bye!